Hello coders, in this video I'm going to show you how human readable languages are converted into zeros and one. Our human readable language basically consists of two kinds of data. One is numeric like numbers, the other is string characters like A, B, C, D, etc. So let's first see how numbers are converted into 0, 1. Look at the below example of binary conversion. We can convert all numbers into 0 and 1 using binary numbers, and you can see the examples. Now here question comes, how strings and characters can be converted to 0, 1. What today technology uses is called a coding scheme, a code for each character. In code what happens is a unique number or value is assigned to each character. There are few of them like ASCII code, ISCIA code or Unicode. Let's look at them one by one. ASCII code. Here is an example. Can you see how A is represented as 100001 in 7-bit ASCII code and in decimal as 65? This uniquely represents A in ASCII code. This is how A is represented in a number. Hence, it can be converted into 0 and 1. Now that we have looked at English, what about Indian languages like Hindi or Bengali? How to represent them? For that, we have a coding scheme defined by ISCII code, and look at the example below. Here, each character is represented by a unique number, and that number can be converted into binaries like 0 and 1 for computer to understand. Now that we have looked into two coding scheme, it does produce a problem. Different language will define their own coding scheme, means a number will represent one character in one coding scheme and another character in another coding scheme, and this is a problem. To solve this, Unicode was developed. Unicode means universal code, which will represent all kind of characters, all language characters under a single coding scheme, and it comes in the three types: UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32. It is widely used in website to understand special character like Hindi, Bengali and other characters. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe.